Good morning, this is Mirko with Dry Pro Drain. I'm doing a sewer camera inspection of the main line. There's an accessible clean out here in the backyard. I'm at 2909 Clune Avenue in Marina del Rey. So we're going to be entering the accessible clean out here in the backyard. This is an ABS clean out that was installed. We've now entered the sewer main. This is a clay pipe. I'm going to do a bend here. I'm going to run some water here. Have a good one. At this point, the sewer line looks really good. Looks like it's in real good condition. No roots.
What's it made out of?
Clay.
The whole thing?
Mm-hmm.
In all good shape?
So far, it's looking like it's in good shape. Alright, so that section of pipe was actually ABS pipe. We're now going to go into the cast iron.
Okay. So it's clay from the starting point and then cast iron and...
ABS. I'm actually recording right now. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so here at 86 feet we have an obstruction that's actually holding some water. This is where the ABS pipe transitioned into cast iron. At this point I'm unable to pass. I'm going to locate this with my locator and see what the issue is. Ending recording now.